Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device and tools so the install goes smoothly. First, make a full backup and confirm Launcher OS supports your hardware. Next, enable developer options and USB debugging, then install ADB and Fastboot on your computer. Once done, download the official Launcher OS image and verify its SHA-256 checksum to prevent corrupt installs. Finally, connect the device via USB and reboot into the bootloader, so you're ready to flash the image immediately. You'll now execute the core installation steps that define success. Unlock the bootloader only if needed. Use the vendor-specific Fastboot unlock command, then confirm any wipe prompts. Next, flash boot, vendor, and system images in the exact order specified by Launcher OS docs using Fastboot flash commands. Once images are written, create or resize the data partition and format it to ext4 or F2FS according to recommendations. After that, make sure to flash the recovery image, if provided, and reboot to the installer. You finish by completing the initial boot and locking instability. On first boot, follow the on-screen flow to create a user account, join Wi-Fi, and accept permissions, then apply any post-install updates. Next, install drivers or compatibility packages and set up preferred app sources or play alternatives so apps behave correctly. If you want persistence, enable auto updates. If something goes wrong, boot loops are common, reflash the boot image, perform a data reset, and pull logs with ADB to identify the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.